I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a quality fish pie. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of mixed fish, like cod, salmon, and smoked haddock. For the topping, grab 2 pounds of starchy potatoes. Don't forget milk, cream, butter, and flour for the rich sauce. A handful of fresh parsley and some frozen peas will add color and flavor. This combination ensures a delicious and comforting meal for the whole family. Now let's prepare the star of our pie, the fish. Gently poach your mixed fish in milk for about 5 to 7 minutes, just until it's opaque. Remove the fish, reserving the milk, and flake it into large pieces, checking for any bones. Next, melt 2 tablespoons of butter, stir in 2 tablespoons of flour, and gradually whisk in the reserved milk to create a smooth, thick sauce. Season with salt, pepper, and a touch of nutmeg for depth. With your fish and sauce ready, it's time to assemble. Gently fold the flaked fish and a half cup of frozen peas into your creamy sauce. Pour this delicious mixture into an oven-proof dish, ensuring an even layer. Now, spoon your fluffy mashed potatoes over the top, spreading it right to the edges. You can use a fork to create lovely ridges, which will crisp up beautifully in the oven. A sprinkle of cheese is optional but highly recommended for extra flavor. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Bake the fish pie for 25 to 30 minutes or until the potato topping is golden brown and bubbling around the edges. Once out of the oven, let it rest for about 10 minutes. This allows the filling to set, making it easier to serve. Enjoy your warm, comforting, and truly delicious homemade fish pie with a simple side salad or steamed greens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.